Students, Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Once again, welcome back to your class, Ravisirjee Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our today video lesson, we are going to learn about how to find domain and range of different kinds of function. Students, in our previous video lecture, we have studied about the different types of function. Okay, let us see with example. Find the domain of the real function f of x is equal to square root x square minus 4. So let us see the solution. F of x is equal to square root x square minus 4. So f is real only when x square minus 4 greater than equal to 0. So x square minus 2 square greater than 0. So x plus 2, x minus 2 greater than 0. So x plus 2 is greater than 0, x minus 2 is greater than 0. It means, students, x will be greater than 2 and x will be greater than minus 2. Okay, students, so here we can see that x is, so the students, we can write the range of x if x is greater than minus 2 and x is greater than 2, minus infinity to 2 and 2 to infinity. So we take the combination of these interval minus 2 to infinity union 2 to infinity. So students, the domain of this is function. Let us see the next question. Find the range of f of x 1 upon 4 minus x square. Let f of x is equal to y is equal to f of x. So y is equal to 1 upon 4 minus x square. So cross multiplication over here, y is multiplied by 4 minus x square. Okay, students, y minus 4 is equal to 1. So we can simplify these things. So we will eliminate x from here, 4x square 4y minus 1. So x square will be what? 4y minus 1 upon y. So x is equal to 4y minus 1. So it is clear that 4y minus 1 will be greater than 0, where y does not is equal to 0, means 4y is greater than equal to 1 by 4 and y does not is equal to 0. So the interval of this term, y is greater than 1 by 4 and y does not is equal to 0. So we can write 1 by 4 to infinity, and this is minus infinity. We are not taking 0. It means, students, here this will be open interval and here will be close and open interval. So combinedly we can write the range of this function in the form of union. So minus infinity to 0, 1 by 4 to infinity. This is the range. Next is find the range of the function f x square plus 2. Given that f of x is equal to x square plus 2, so y is equal to f of x. So y is equal to x square plus 2. So x square will be what? Y minus 2. So x will be square root y minus 2. It is clear that x will be real. In that case, y minus 2 will be greater than equal to 0. So y greater than equal to 2. So we can write close interval 2 to infinity. Okay, student. So range of this function will be what? Close interval 2 to infinity. Moving to the next question. Find the domain of the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 3 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. So whenever we want to find out the domain of these kinds of function, take the denominator does not is equal to 0. So domain of f is equal to r minus denominator, the elements of denominator. So we are taking for this one the function can be defined if x square minus 5x plus 6 does not is equal to 0. So using the factorization, so we can factorize over here, like x square minus 3x minus 2 does not is equal to 0. So taking x common, x minus 3 minus 2 will be common from here, x minus 2 does not is equal to 0. So students, from here what we are getting, to find out the domain, x minus 3 does not is equal to 0 and x minus 2 does not is equal to 0. So we can write over here, x will be not is equal to 3 and x will be not is equal to 2. So the domain will be what? R minus these element. These element means what? 3 and 2. So this is the domain of rational function. So student, in this way you can find out the domain of rational function. Let us see the next question. Find the domain of the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, x square minus 8x plus 12. F is a rational function. So students, nothing you will have to do, just follow the steps of previous question. Domain of f is equal to r minus element of denominator. So first of all, for the function is defined, then the denominator does not is equal to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 12 does not is equal to 0. So we can factorize these things, like x square minus 2x plus 12 does not is equal to 0. So we know, students, how to factorize these things. So after factorizing, we are getting what? X minus 2 and x minus 3 does not equal to 0. So x minus 2, x minus 6 does not is equal to 0. It means x does not is equal to 2 and x does not is equal to 6. So domain is what? R minus factorization of the given denominator polynomial. So 2 and 6. Let us see the next one. Find the domain and range of real function f defined by f of x is equal to modulus x minus 1. So let us see the solution. For all x belongs to R, f of x is a unique real number. So domain of f will be real. Also, for all x belongs to R, modulus x greater than equal to 0, so f of x greater than equal to 0. So the range of this function is close interval 0 to open interval infinity, means R plus union set 0, means the element having set 0. Okay, student. To the next question. Find the domain of function f of x is equal to 1 upon square root x square modulus x. Let us see the solution. Here, students, you can see that x plus modulus x can be written as x minus x is equal to 0 if x less than 0, and x plus modulus x plus x 2x if x greater than 0. Thus here we can see that f of x is defined if x greater than 0. So domain of f is R plus. Next is find the value of x for which the function fx is equal to 3x square minus 1 and g of x 3 plus x are equal. Here, student, the function, both the functions are equal. So f of x is equal to g of x. So we can compare 3x square minus 1 is equal to 3 plus x. So equating all these things together, so we are getting 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. By factorizing these things, what we are getting? X 3x minus 4 and x plus 1. So we will get x will be 4 by 3 and x will be minus 1. So students, these are the value of x for which the function is defined. The values are what? Minus 1 and 4 by 3. Okay students, let us see the next question. Find the domain and range of function f of x is equal to 1 upon square root x minus 5. So given that f of x square root x minus 5 is defined when x minus 5 is greater than 0, so x is greater than 5. So domain of this function will be what? Open interval 5 to infinity. F of x is equal to y, so y is equal to square root x minus 5. So students, here we can write what? Square root x minus 5 1 by y, squaring on the both side and eliminating x over here. So what we are getting? X is equal to 5 plus 1 upon y square, means x belongs to 5 to infinity already we have given. So all the values of y will be positive real number, hence range of this function is positive real number which will be greater than 5.